everybody. Today I have a real cool science experiment, mixing color. We're going to be using these test tubes. We'll get to that later. Over here I have 3 glasses of water. I'm going to put food color in each one. So for this one, we're going to use yellow, we're going to put in 4 drops. And then blue, one, two, three, 4. 4 drops. Keep it those. And then for the final glass, we're going to use red. One, 2, 3, 4. So 4 drops in each glass. Now we're gonna mix them. Now we're gonna use the turkey baster to put the colors in the test tube. So for the first one, I'm actually gonna mix a little bit of yellow, see? Now I'm gonna mix all blue. It makes green. Isn't that cool? Now for this one, we're actually gonna mix blue, and red. Makes purple. I know it doesn't look like purple, but it is purple. Now one more. We're gonna make yellow, and red. Mix orange. Now let's see what happens if we actually mix green and purple. Check it out. See that? It looks like a black-green color. Yeah. So, thumbs up for this experiment for sure. Before I end this video, I have one more thing to say. I just got 300 subscribers! Oh my god, I have to say a big thank you to all of you. You guys have been supporting throughout my video, my short, my live stream. I cannot even tell you how much I appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel and supporting me. Oh my gosh, you guys are incredible. I don't even know what I would do with my channel without you guys. So, thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers. My next goal is to reach 400, so please make it happen. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day, and peace out.